Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin with tonight's news report right now. New Hampshire schools plan to expand mental health services for students. Officials say students struggled during pandemic. As the first day of school approaches, districts are reporting a rise in mental health needs among Granite State students. New Hampshire school districts said the pandemic has had a direct impact on the mental health of their students. School social workers, psychologists, nurses, and principals met Wednesday afternoon to share what they experienced over the last school year. Many highlighted learning gaps in education and more students with mental health needs. Districts are now creating response teams to provide support to students, including mental health training and expanding behavioral health and wellness services within the schools. More social workers will be added to help students deal with issues they may be experiencing outside of school. Coming back after the pandemic, our students came back with more than they left with, said Courtney Porter, president of the New Hampshire School Association, Social Workers Association. So we really found ourselves in a position of how are we able to support them, especially with the gaps in education, but also the things that were happening to them when they weren't in school. So as they return to us, we're prepared for them. What they're bringing and the level of intense mental health. School officials said they would like to have at least one social worker for every 250 students, which is the nationally recommended ratio. Currently, New Hampshire has one social worker for every 1,000 students. And that does it for this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Thank you for watching this evening news report. I hope you all have a great evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and goodbye, everyone.